So this is the StudMark markers I bought in Amazon. There's 6 of them. So it's a magnetic stud finder. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are pretty strong. I'm gonna try this on the wall, see if I can find a stud or a nail. So it's just very easy to use. You just slide it on a wall to find a nail which would indicate the stud on it. So let's give it a try. So let's go and go to a wall here, and so this is probably a good example here where the stud is somewhere around in this area here. So let's try. There you go. So it actually sticks. So it would fall if you, so right there it sticks. So maybe around somewhere here would be the next stud. There you go. Up there. That one's down there. There's the next stud. Okay, it's really good. It sticks, but as soon as it's out of the nail, yeah, it's gonna fail. It's gonna drop. But it works. Thanks for watching.